Let's edit the picture after you import your pic. First, let's change the pic to black and white. Go to the tools and choose crop. Choose portrait size, looks nice for Instagram. And now save the pic because we need it later. Tap on FX and select on black and white. Tap on that again and choose B. Now tap on Erase and lower the size to 21. Lower the hardness to 54 and opacity 100. And clean up the left eye a bit. Tap on OK when you're done. Go to the tools and select on curves. Lower this line to make the pic more dark. Tap on Erase. Lower the size to 21 and hardness 60 and opacity 100. And clean up the left eye a bit. Tap on OK when you're done. And now let's add this mask on her face. Select on a sticker icon and search for burn paper. Choose this pic. Go to blend and choose multiply. Position the mask on her eye. Tap on Erase. Let's clean up these lines around pic. Put the size on 30 and hardness 21, opacity 100. Hit on OK when you're done. Tap on this plus icon and choose a sticker again. Search for burn. Choose this one. Position it on her eye. Lower the opacity to around 54. Hit the Erase. Put the size on 33 and hardness 61. Clean up those parts that you don't need. Tap on OK when you're done. Select on blend and choose a screen. And now tap on layers and tap on the layer again and make a duplicate. And now position the second layer. Hit the Erase and clean it up. Hit OK. Tap on layers again and make another duplicate. Position it and clean it up again. Opacity and raise it to 100. Tap on other layers and change their opacity to 100. Tap on plus icon again and search for fire spark. Select on blend and choose screen and position it around fire area. Hit the erase and clean up inside the eye. Tap on OK when you're done. Tap on plus icon again and search for a smoke. Position it to the right side. Lower the opacity to 80. Choose the erase and clean up inside eye. Tap on OK. And now click on layer and move down the smoke layer. Tap on OK when you're done. And now let's edit the right eye. Scroll to right and select on add photo. Import the pic that we already saved. Change the opacity around 50 so we can match the pictures much easier. Change the opacity to 100. Tap on layers and move this layer down. Hit the erase. Change the hardness to 100 and the size around 40. And now paint the picture except the right eye. Hit OK when you're done. And now let's edit the eyes color. Select on retouch, scroll to right and choose eye color. Scroll to right and choose this shape. Raise the hue to 100, saturation to 100, and opacity 70. Tap on erase. Put the size on 28 and hardness 27. Clean the top of left eye. And clean the right eye completely. Hit OK when you're done. Choose the eye color again. Scroll to right and choose the previous shape. Put the saturation on 100, opacity 70, and for hue, choose your favorite color. Tap on Erase, hardness 62, and size 27. Clean the left eye completely. And clean the top of the right eye. Tap on OK when you're done. Save the picture. Thanks for watching.